Hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshibe J. I'm a marketing expert, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the top 3 mistakes that are killing your Facebook ads performance. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all of those mistakes so you can avoid them. But as you know, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video, and don't forget to subscribe.
So guys, here are the top 3 mistakes killing your Facebook ad performance. I see this all the time. I work with so many clients. I work with so many businesses, right? These things, I see them all the time. And if these things weren't done, like the business would be so much more further along, so much more further, and would have made way more money profitably. But you know what? That's why I've created this video, right? So guys, I'm going to share with you the top 3 mistakes killing your Facebook ad performance. Number 1, guys, too many audiences, right? Too many audiences. The thing about this is that it's really important to understand Meta's algorithm. If you understand Meta's algorithm, you will not go wrong with your ads. Meta's AI, it thrives on data volume. It needs volume of data. It gets it organically, it gets it through pay. That's why you want to post, because you're getting that volume of data coming in. That's why you want to run ads, because you're getting that volume of data coming in, right? That's what it thrives on. So when you are running your campaigns, you got loads of audiences, like just loads, like you're running your ads like Facebook back in the day. It's going to split the budget too much, right? And it's going to restrict the algorithm. It's going to restrict it a lot. It's going to restrict the algorithm, even starve the algorithm. So it makes it harder to learn and harder to stabilize. The only time you want to do many audiences if you want to test, you're trying to find out, okay, which audience works. But then once you find that, you just gotta get rid of it, and you gotta combine them. You have to reduce the number of them, because if you have too many and it's all split like crazy, you're just starving the algorithm. And it's gonna work a little bit and then it's just gonna stop. You want your ads to work consistently, to get you results consistently. Also, another thing as well is that when you have too many audiences, your ads may be reaching people who have no interest in what you're selling. So if you have a lot of audiences, the algorithm may see that as, oh, people are clicking on the ad, but they're just clicking on it to see like what it's about. There's no intention to buy there. Another thing, audiences can burn out very quickly. So by having less audiences in your campaigns, your campaign success is going to last a lot longer, a lot more. You can scale easier, right? Guys, I share interest targeting. I share tips on interest targeting, lookalike. I share all that stuff, right? And the reason why is because it's very important to find your audience. Find the audience that works for you. Once you find that, you want to go all in on those audiences. Number 2, weak creative and creative fatigue. Again, like I mentioned before, it's about understanding the meta algorithm. You need to learn it, guys. Obviously, Andromeda is happening now. They've changed the algorithm, and it's all about creative volume now, right? Meta's algorithm is now creatively driven. If your ad frequency increases, you're pushing the same visuals, like your performance is going to go down. So now the game that we're in now is that it's about creative volume. So you see how it is. Before, it used to be audience volume, like loads of audiences. The tide has changed now. It's now creative volume. Who knows? In the future, it might change back to audience again. Who knows? Who knows? But where we are right now, it's about creative volume. And that's what's going to get your ads going and getting more purchases, getting more leads. It's going to be so much easier to scale. And your performances, there'll be less chance of it even declining, right? Because you've got so many creatives. You want creative diversity. If you don't have any creative diversity, again, your ads are just going to tank. We're up against TikTok. We're up against Instagram Reels. You see content all the time, all new stuff all the time. It's constant. That's how you want to be doing it with your ads, right? Guys, people think that organic content and ads are two different things. No, they're the same thing. Organic content is free. Ads is organic content that is not free. You just pay for it. That's literally the difference. One is free, one you got to put money behind to push it further. That's it. Right? So If everything's more creatively driven, that's how we got to do with our ads. The days of just having that one creative and it's just going to take us all the way to six figures, they're gone. You got to have loads, loads. That's why I'm very big on having us some creative direction because that's what's going to move the needle with your campaigns. Number three, rubbish landing page experience. Guys, let me tell you the story. I took on this client, awesome, and they're working with an agency. See, this is what I mean. Like they're working with an agency, yeah. I looked through all their ads, and all of the links in their ads were broken. All of them. All the links that this agency was using for this client's ads weren't even working. And the client was wondering, why am I not getting sales? And that was the issue. So one, you want to make sure that the links that you're putting in your ads is the correct link because you'll be very surprised. Sometimes what may happen is that the agency may have put the correct link, but maybe they made a change on the website and that link no more is working anymore. That can also kill the performance. So you want to make sure you're checking these things. These are very simple things. People think that to grow and to scale is you got to do some complex stuff. A lot of it comes down to principles. So another thing is about the landing page. You could have the best ad ever. If you click on it and the landing page is rubbish, the merchandising on your landing page is rubbish, they don't know what's going on, they're not buying or giving you the lead. The thing about ads give people a promise. They see it and they're like, oh, okay, I'm promising you this. And they're like, okay, cool, I believe this promise. Click. If they get to your website or the landing page and that promise isn't there as well and consistent, they're not gonna buy because you're not consistent in your messaging. Why would you think they're gonna believe that you're consistent in your delivery in terms of delivering them the product, delivering them the service, if you can't even be consistent in the experience online? Okay. So that's very important. Like I mentioned, broken links, incorrect links, these can kill Facebook ad performance. This is a common thing. And it's always very surprising that a lot of people don't check these things. They just leave it and it's like, oh yeah, it's done. Yeah, I know it's correct. But pages on the back end of websites change all the time. Certain updates happen on websites all the time, and that can have a knock-on effect on your links, right? So it's always good to check your links. Sometimes your Facebook ad campaign could be perfect. Everything could be perfect, but it's just a link. And then you're wondering, oh, and then once you change the link, then everything's back to normal, right? So that's what you want to be looking at. Also, as well, as I mentioned, lack of consistency when it comes to the brand experience. Guys, if you're running an ad for Halloween, right? You got on Halloween offer and they click on your website and your website isn't Halloween themed. It doesn't have that theme, that cool Halloween type of feel to it. There's no consistency, right? So they'll probably think, oh, maybe the Halloween offer is finished. Maybe it's not going anymore. All right, cool. And they click off. Guys, we should never underestimate how easy it is for the audience to leave. And that's why we have to do everything within our power as business owners, as marketers, to make sure that the audience stays and they take the action that we want them to take on our website. So guys, those are three things that tend to kill Facebook ad performance, right? As promised, guys, click the link in the description. I do one-to-one consultations. If you have any issue with your Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Instagram ads, just click the link in the description. I've helped so many businesses. And I'll be more than happy to help yours as well. Also, guys, I will be doing a Black Friday workshop. I'll be showing you the latest tips and tricks that's going to help you boost your revenue during Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So click the link in the description and sign up, and I'll see you in there. But guys, as you know, I'll be back with another video to help you with your business and your marketing. Take care, guys.